Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wasn't really gonna record today because I don't know about y'all, but I don't know. For my girls out there, do y'all know about PMDD? That what's it called? Premenstrual dysphoric something disorder. I forgot what it's called, but I think I may have that child because it's worse than PMS, and I don't know what's going on. So I wasn't even gonna record today. I felt mad busted and crusted, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna cook anyway, let me just record this content and push through. So today we're gonna be making, I think, because I'm following Terry Ann's Kitchen's recipe. If y'all know about her, like, follow her, because she basically taught me how to cook low-key. So I'm gonna make like a honey glazed type of salmon, mashed potatoes with cream sauce. She made asparagus, like she cooked asparagus with it, but I don't have asparagus, so I'm just gonna do spinach. But so I already seasoned the fish, the salmon. Y'all can already see. See how season that look, you feel me? And I already, I cleaned it before I seasoned it, obviously, because y'all should know this by now. So I did lemon, lime, all that. I'm Haitian, so you guys see the Haitian flag? Yeah, just to remind y'all again. So I got the seasoned salmon. I got the potatoes washed and ready to go. I just gotta boil it and stuff like that, which I'm about to do soon. So what she did was, with the sauce, she made the honey glazed sauce before she put the salmon on the pan. So she put oil, olive oil, bit of that. She put soy sauce. I finally got this soy sauce to open. My friend put me on game because she said to run it under hot water, and it worked. So I put some soy sauce on there. I don't know if I'm putting too much. I don't do measurements. Y'all should know that. We shall see. I hate when oil get on my hands. So and then she put, oh crap. What else did she put besides soy sauce and olive oil? She put honey. Yeah. Now let me mix it all together like Hannah Montana and see how it tastes. Alright. I'm kind of scared because I don't know how this shit gonna taste. Should I taste it before pouring it over I want to taste it before pouring it over the pan, because what if it's nasty and then I pour it all over my salmon? Like, that would suck.
Mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds.
For my non-Haitians out there, it just means let me taste it. I don't know why I look thick like this, child. I mean, I guess a thick sauce isn't too bad. It's not terrible. Let's put some more honey in that junk. Just a tad. A little bit more honey. Alright, let's go. Stop on me. That's kind of good. That might be really good on this. Nice and sweet. It's gonna go right with the tangy salmon, with the savory salmon. Okay, I'm here for this. All right, let me start boiling these potatoes. Go. Let me stop before they copyright me. They would too. They sure would. While the potatoes boiling for 15 minutes, my spinach is defrosted, so I'm just gonna take that out the fridge. This video is sponsored by, it's like, stuff.
Minutes later.
So these potatoes are taking forever to boil. I put them in for 15 minutes and it's still hard. So maybe it's because she chopped it. She did chop the potatoes. I didn't do that. I just boil all the potatoes as is. So that's probably why it's taking longer. So I put it for another 15 minutes. So instead of waiting for too long, I'm gonna start the salmon because I'm like, I'm trying to have dinner ready quickly. That's why I wait too long because I'm like, oh, I want to make sure everything gets cooked one at a time. No, I don't got time for that. Got my frying pan, like Rapunzel. If y'all watch Tangled, y'all would know the reference. So she used like a stick of butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the pot. I'm gonna just leave that joke on medium because it wasn't turning off. Oh, I don't know about this one, child. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it? I'm looking for a spatula. This is not a spatula, but it's about as good as it's gonna get. And just rub that butter on in there. Smooth it down. Smooth it down. Got to smooth it down. Our salmon smells nice and seasoned, so I'm excited about the salmon. So excited. I wonder if I could fit all 3 of the pieces in here just to save time. Well, I feel like I'm in a cooking game, like Cooking Mama or something. Or Cooking Academy. I swore, because I knew how to play Cooking Academy, that I was going to know instantly how to cook, and boy was I disappointed. Oh my gosh. Give me a side, please. Hold on, wait a minute. Wait a second. It smells good too. Let me show y'all what it looks like. So this is the salmon so far. The potatoes are still boiling. Lord, I've been, using a fork or something to, dig inside each potato to see if it's soft, and it's not soft yet. I don't understand. These potatoes are they're hard. Yeah, so just gonna wait till that boils, or not, or what you call it, saute, season, whatever, sizzle, and then I'm gonna pour this sauce over it. I'm gonna taste the salmon to see if it's good. This right here is my salmon. That don't good. Yeah. That's good right there. Now I'm about to put this sauce over it. Put a little drizzle of that sauce. It's good. Put it on low. That don't feel seasoned. I'm down the wrong pipe. So this is how the salmon looks. I put the little honey sauce on it. Tastes pretty good, actually. Yeah, looks pretty. This salmon wanna break. I got beef with you. You weak. Stand up. Stand up. You weaker than me. I was counting on you. It's all right. It tastes good, so it's all going down the same place. These potatoes are getting on my nerves because it's like, why are you so hard? Like, I don't understand. Like, well, I'm gonna let this sizzle for a little bit more on low. Cause I do kind of want a more charred look, I guess. But I mean, it is cooked and it's good. I just like it to be a little bit more broiled. So yeah. It's the broken salmon looking like, hi Rocco, for me. Cause it's like, hi Chucky Sue, like the cute ones. Like, that's a really cute hamster. And then this one is like, hi Rocco, like, I don't like this broken one, but we're gonna eat it anyway, obviously. But it's not pretty. I'll never make it on Chopped. I'll never make it on a cooking show. Presentation, 0.
One eternity later.
The potatoes are finally done.
Just whistle while you work. Whistle while you work.
This is how the mashed potatoes look, and now I'm about to work on the cream sauce, the heavy cream. So here's the cream sauce. I kind of just did my own thing. I put a little honey in there. I don't know. But it tasted decent, so yeah. Everything, the sauce is a little, it looks a little weird because it's cold now, so I gotta reheat it. But this is the little honey sauce, the salmon, the mashed potatoes, and the cream sauce, and the spinach. So that's pretty much everything. All right, y'all, so that's it for my mashed potatoes, salmon, and spinach meal. I hope to see you guys next time, and stay safe. Bye.